In this video, I'd like to give you the 3 advices. Hey, my name is Guan Zhang. Today, I'm gonna give you the 3 advices on what to do after you want to be the mixer. The advice number 1, listen to your favorite tunes as many as possible, because now you are just like a freshman in a university before you start to learn anything. And it's always good for you to have the sense of the commercial tune, even if you have no idea how to make it happen, how to produce the song, that sound, and how to process. It's fine. Just take a listen and try to feel it and think about what do you feel with this song and what's the vibe that was translated in that song. It's a very important thing. And advice number 2 is mess around with your DAW without any rules. The DAW, it stands for Digital Audio Workstation, and basically it's the main program, your software application where you will learn and work for a long time. And no matter which brand of the DAW you use, it's pretty fine, like Pro Tools, Cubase, Studio One, Reaper, and on. It's pretty fine because what we're gonna learn here is the principle, the knowledge. It's not just the tool. And because you just start to learn how to use those programs, so you will be gonna start to have tons and tons more and more problem and question. That's fine. So stay calm and stay relaxed on that. The only one thing you have to do is just write them down into your notebook. Those problems already become your treasure at this stage, because those problems are already becoming the guideline of your learning plan. So this is also very important. And advice number 3 is discipline on learning and experiencing, because now you already have the guideline and you already know where to get started. So the only one thing here is just to keep focusing on your schedule of your learning plan. And the mixing is not like the starting. The way to learn is only by experiencing. So that's why you have to do it on your own, even if there is someone who tell you how to do. So let's take a quick recap. The advice number 1 is listen to your favorite tunes as many as possible, and it's for the reason to have the sense of commercial tunes beforehand. You have to know the right sense. And the advice number 2 is mess around with your DAW, and the goal is to create your guideline of your learning plan. And the advice number 3 is discipline on learning and experiencing. So that's all today I have for you. And if you would like to learn more about musical production, mixing techniques, tips and tricks, or if you think this video is gonna help you, click the like button, share this video, comment below, let me know your thoughts, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go to the www.strongtones.com, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.